This thin, fluttering metal foil, it's actually pure magnesium. The technology to stretch magnesium out to a thickness of a few microns, for which Japan can stand proud before the world, was born from the skills of RIKAZAI craftsmen. Using a cold rolling mill that is anything but new, a team of two working together in perfect coordination pass the metal through the rollers of the mill again and again, from the inserter to the receiver until it reaches the required thickness. Let us introduce you to the world of beautiful, ultimate thinness that only true craftsmanship can produce. What are the essential qualities of pure magnesium? Magnesium is the lightest of the practical metals, with a specific weight 2-3 that of aluminum and 1-4 that of carbon steel. Its specific strengths and specific rigidity are superior to those of carbon steel or aluminum. It has the highest vibration absorbency, damping capacity of all the practical metals. It has superior machinability and dent resistance. It shows little dimensional change at different temperatures or over time. Since pure magnesium is light and has a high internal loss, the problem of oxidation is solved by coating pure magnesium. It is used for loudspeaker diagrams, and it is also being considered for battery electrodes and other applications.
純マグネシウムは電池を開発されているお客様向けに、私どもで圧煙加工させていただいております。マグネシウムを探してくるところから始めて、それを、熱処理圧煙を繰り返しながら、今では2ミクロンのマグネシウムが使われるできることになって、研究者さんには喜ばれています。ただそのノウハウがうまくいくマグネシウムとうまくいかないマグネシウムっていうのが出てきてしまいまして、そこら辺のノウハウっていうのが、私どもには足りなかったんだなっていうところで、北海道大学の三浦教授の指導をいただきまして、今現在、勉強中です。もうそろそろ山の中腹まで行きましたんで、安心して安定した素材が出せると